We're back, Sam.
Back, another week.
Another week. It's Tuesday.
Tuesday, yep.
Tuesday, bank holiday weekend. Fourth episode.
Yeah,
You've made it this far. We've still got our jobs, so we haven't got sacked yet, which is good. Let's have a little chat about what has been going on. Right. We left you.
So yeah, last week we left it on a bit of a cliffhanger, didn't we? Of
cliffhanger. Oh, yeah.
What to do with this 350 and
yeah, this car right here.
What the issues was, whether it was a mechanical timing, electrical timing issue, and whether it was easier to cut tyres and move on to another one or continue working on it. And well,
bit of a secret because
there's a new one here. So we had a bit of a team meeting, worked out it's probably going to be easier to just get another one, move all the parts across and just start with this because we've only got really a week of working time left to get it ready. So, and we've still got 2 others to get on with.
Yeah, we certainly have.
The PS to prep.
And the PS to prep, and the van to load, and the trailer to load. So still a lot of work to do. So yeah, as Sam just said, we had a bit of a chat. Now, let's just clear it up though, because people probably think they are useless. We are.
I mean,
we are useless. We could fix the other car. We could fix it. Biggest problem we have is time. As Sam just said, there is 7 days left until first day of Up in Smoke Tour, where Baggsy has to do the drift demo in the PS13, which is over there. The other problem is tomorrow morning I go to Mondello Park for round 1 of Drift Masters, and poor old Sam is going to be on his own for 5 days-ish. So, and it's a bank holiday weekend again this weekend because it's the King's coronation. So not a great deal of time. So yes, we could have fixed the original black car, but we decided not to because time. We just don't have enough time. So we decided.
Also, we're not 100% sure what the issue is, and we could throw parts at it and then.
Well, we could spend a lot of time messing around trying to diagnose whether it was mechanical or electrical, and then still not get to the bottom of it, and then be even closer to the first day of Up in Smoke and stressing ourselves out even more. So, as Sam said, we decided to purchase a new car. Chuck some parts on it yesterday, didn't we? We got straight into it.
Yeah, although it was Bank Holiday Monday, we was here yesterday and we got straight into it, ringing some parts across. We've put the GK Tech plenum spacer on it, the rear coilovers are on, and the rear BBS wheels. And then obviously today we're going to carry on with that car.
Yep.
Was also here on Saturday for a half day, wasn't it? And we got quite a bit done on the grey 350Z, so that one's now near on complete, and then finished a lot of it yesterday as well on Monday. So that's nigh undone now, isn't it, really? So all that's really left now is the other grey 350Z, moving all the parts across from between the 2 black ones and adding the last of the GK Tech stuff to the black one, and then prep the PS. So we're at a doable state now, aren't we? We're not stressing and we're not. No,
we're at a point now where I think we're pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
This car does run and drive. Sam did do donuts in it in the car park on Saturday evening after I'd gone home. Saturday and Monday we got a lot of work done.
Yeah.
So let's show them what we got up to on the weekend, Sam.
Last time they see this,
I think you just had the seat in it, wasn't it? I think.
We had the seat in, we had the side skirt extensions, you slammed the front and give it a Stancy Boy fitment. It was all running and driving.
Yep.
Did a burnout in it.
It was a, what was it, hydro, steering wheel, the GK Tech controls, so we keep the cruise control and radio controls, and then also the GK Tech lock kit, which we've had a little test of, and it seems like there's plenty of lock for a remapped 350Z. So
yeah, no, it's got a nice bit of lock kit on it. That was relatively simple to fit. I mean, I fitted it, so it can't be that hard, let's be honest. That's how it is.
Quite a simple kit and easy to work with.
The GK Tech stuff, really nice though. That,
as Sam just mentioned, this little bit of kit here lets you keep the cruise control buttons and the stereo buttons with an aftermarket steering wheel and Boss. So,
and the GK Tech hydro plate, which keeps all your factory trim, so you're not cutting anything. And
didn't have to trim anything, literally bolted it on.
Bolts in, hydro bolts in, and you're good to go.
We plumbed all that in.
Nice, discreet. It's not cutting holes in your trim and having big, horrible holes.
Plates. No. So that's that done.
Yeah.
And Sam
painted the spoilers, and we got that one fitted onto the back of this car. So,
for the purpose of YouTube, this car
is basically done, I think.
It's done.
We've had some more deliveries, Sam.
more deliveries. I think that's the exhaust, I'm gonna guess, for the other grey 350.
Yep. So I'm guessing
I'll probably get on that and do the fab work on the other silver car, which is just diff brace and a power steering cooler mount. You're going to jump on transferring over all the rest of the stuff off of the 2 black ones.
Coilovers to come across, and then it's fitting all the GK tech.
Yep.
Because we've got lower arms, upper arms, and the knuckle for that one. So that one's going to be even more of a spicy boy for lock.
Spice. No more delaying, Sam. Let's get into it because, well, it's already 9:30 and we haven't even started yet. So, right, let's do some work.
Well, that was a bit of a pain in the ass. Typical Nissan's being rusty, everything was stuck on, but we're there in the end. Obviously the GK Tech lower arm on, the upper arm as well. The STs have been moved from that car to the new car, and yeah, that's a good day's work. It was definitely a mission, because being an old rusty Nissan that sat for a while, it wasn't the easiest stuff to get on and off, but all the new stuff's on now. It's roughly eyeballed up. I need to do a proper alignment on it, which when I get it off the ramp, I'll string it. Stephen interrupting. Well, I got distracted and forgot where I was at, but I'll go over it again. So yeah, I got the GK Tech upper arm, GK Tech lower arm, and the knuckle adapter. So obviously now gives quite a good amount of lock, if I can turn it. There you go. Which is more than enough, I think, for a 350Z. Obviously, tomorrow I'll have to get the wire pipe on, and there is drive shaft spacers, hydro mount, and some fancy dual caliper brackets. Unfortunately, it's just me now, because Ian's gone to Drift Masters and left me, so it'll just be me working on the cars for the rest of the vlog, but I'm sure we can still have some fun. Oh, and obviously I'm going to change it for the new Hell oil cooler and the Forge power steering cooler. So I think by the end of the week, this one should be mostly done. I think it will just be a few little bits to tidy up next week with that one and obviously these 2 silver cars. So hopefully not a great deal to do next week. Or, I mean, I could also be really mean, so when Ian comes back, we've got to do loads of stuff, but we'll see. So that is the dual caliper bracket all back on, all set up, ready to go. Luckily, these just turned up. We have just had delivery of EBC brakes. So right in time, as I've just finished that, they've turned up and I can get them on. I think we've got yellow stuff pads, I think, to go on it in the rear. And obviously we've got the second caliper there. So yeah, I can finish up now. Higo's going to be a bit annoyed because after lunch I forgot to put the time lapse back on, but oh well. Let's start the time lapse again and get the brakes all on. Well, being a numpty and trying to rush things and get them done quick, I may have put the left one on the right and the right one on the left, which prevents a slight issue. You can't get the caliper on. So that means I've got to take them all apart and swap the left and the right one. Always read the instructions, people. Literally back to where I was, and it took just over an hour, just under an hour, I think. I'm not 100% sure, to be honest with you. But that took me some amount of time to get it all off because everything's rusted solid, but now it's all free, it doesn't take much time. So I suppose if we have any breakdowns, that's a good thing, but it's also kind of frustrating that it took that long to get apart, and then now it's all stripped back together and I can carry on where I was a minute ago. Well, that's one side on. Obviously I still need to make the hydro line for this and put the spring back in, but one on, gonna move around to the other side and I'm sure everything's trying to challenge me this week. GoPro just ran out of battery, but yep, as I was saying, I don't know if you got the previous clip. This side's all on, I just need to adjust the handbrake and obviously make this line and then bleed up the handbrake caliper, or hydro caliper. And next I'll put this side on, so.
350Z's done-ish. Well, we've got a little bit of work to do. So we've got to do front splitter, side skirts, spoiler, seat and steering wheel. Apart from that, it is done. Alignment. Sam,
that's a little bit of an important one.
Yeah, that'd be all right. We'll just leave it. Sam, while I was away, fitted all of the GK Tech kit. Rear brakes. We did the front brakes today. Got it off the ramp. New exhaust. New exhaust. From Jap Speed.
Fixed the
neons. Neons. Want to see the neons? Watch this. This is how fancy these neons are. Get the light, Baggsy. Get the light. What? Watch this. This is a level that we're going to now, up in Smoke Top. Boom, look at that. Full race car mode. And if we want to go full Fast and the Furious, oh! Yeah, Glow Kit, massive shout out to Glow Kit for hooking.
We've got a kit over there, haven't we? There's one kit.
The kit on the box, yeah.
We find it quickly and we can show them.
Steve's going to find the box.
They gave a bunch of these to everybody that's going on the Up in Smoke tour. Comes with a pretty cool kit. It's not one of them really cheap eBay kits at all. It's nice. It's got really good quality LEDs. All the wiring's nice and thick, so it's good quality wiring. Comes with a sticker, all the fitting kits, cable ties, instruction manual, QR code thingy-majiggy to download the app for your phone.
So if you scan that, screenshot it.
If you screenshot it and scan it, and you're close to Baggsy's car, you can make it any colour you want. Maybe we'll do a giveaway with Glow Kit one day. You can put neons on your race car as well, or your road car. Sam, you fucked up, didn't you? As well.
Fuck up?
Back brake brackets. Tell us about that.
I mean,
I just want to hear him say it again. I weren't here. I was a drift master.
But if we went on about everything that Ian fucked up, we'd have a whole video on that.
We would. We'd have a long video. Be about 4 hours.
Trying to dig me out. And
so anyway,
the difference is I put it on video. You hide it.
Yeah, I don't. I'm not stupid. Right. So anyway, you won't see this car until the Up in Smoke vlogs come out, but. What we have got for you is competition, isn't it, Stephen?
Yes, so in the last video, if people watched, we asked you to comment in the comment section what was your favourite Monster Energy drink. We had a bunch of entries. We've put everyone's YouTube tag, I guess, every YouTube name, into this little spinny thing, and I'm just going to tap it now and hopefully it'll go round and then that'll tell us who's won. And what they win is this Sonac detailing kit, which is full of Sonac's goodies and a selection of our favourite Monster Energy drinks.
Well, they're going to get more than one.
Well, I don't know. We send it well.
Well, they just said they were going to mention their favourite monster.
Yeah.
Stephen's up the ante. He's going to give away more than one can. You might get more than one now. So
it might be more in postage. So no, we'll send all of these. Whatever these lot here, we'll send these ones. I mean, this is pretty much all we've got as well in the workshop. I don't think we've got any other than the normal one.
That is the flavours. That is all the flavours.
I think that's pretty much what we've got in stock. So yes, you can have all these, and you can have the Sonex kit. So
there we go.
Hopefully, if Higo has done this right, I should be able to tap here, and it will start spinning. Ready, Higo?
Go for it.
Here we go. Who's going to win it?
Who's going to win?
Why is it a name I can't even say? Michael, congratulations, Michael. There you go.
Comes up on the screen.
Bunacore. I hope you're in the UK anyway, because otherwise Stephen's got to pay a fortune for shipping. Never mind. I'm not paying for it, so I don't really care.
Maybe in the next one we put terms and conditions.
The terms and conditions has to be in the UK. No. So congratulations, you're going to get all of that Sonic stuff. That is it for this vlog.
Oh, actually, we should probably tell Michael to get in touch. Because we've got nowhere contacted him.
Slip in the DMs. Slip in the DMs on Baggsy's Instagram or SB Motorsport, one of the two. We're going away for a week, so probably best to go on the SB Motorsport one and we'll get that sorted out by people in the office. That's it for us. Sam, we're going away. Won't be a vlog, or there might be.
Well, there might be one on the road.
There might be one on the road. There might be.
Road workshop Wednesday.
There might be
a non-workshop workshop Wednesday.
Yeah, there might be one. So we'll see how it goes.
It's just not workshop Wednesday. It's just work Wednesday, isn't it?
Work Wednesday.
It's going to be if we have
Wednesday.
If you
roadside Wednesdays.
It's going to be
Roadside Wednesdays. That's what it's going to be.
It's going to be the side of the motorway workshop, non-workshop Wednesday.
Yeah. Prepping the PS13 for its demo at the Nürburgring 24-hour race. Right, that's it. We're done. We're out. don't forget, we are going to be dropping videos the whole time we're on Up in Smoke Tour, so make sure you subscribe and follow Baggsy's YouTube channel, because we'll be on there.
It's kind of everyone's YouTube channel at this
Well,
point.
it's got your name, and we're going to change the name now. The Baggsy Ian Sam Higo Boy UK channel.
Naomi and Rosie.
Naomi and Rosie. Everyone's on there. So yeah, don't forget to keep watching, because there's going to be vlogs weekly.
There'll be daily vlogs throughout the week.
Higo's like, no. Right, that's it.
You've got the pointy bit.
Well, I was getting to that. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.